Hello, beautiful people. Today I bring to you a fabulous compilation of frontal wigs, closure wigs, and bundle install hairstyles. Whether it's for a body transformation, your birthday, Valentine's Day, a dinner date, or a big party, this video got you covered. Frontal wigs cover your entire hairline from ear to ear, giving you a natural and seamless look. They are perfect if you love experimenting with baby hairs or trying out sleek pulled back styles. Bone straight frontal wig is ideal for dinner dates and elegant parties. This style screams class and sophistication. Coily frontal wig for the Baddie ladies who want volume and bounce. This look is perfect for Valentine's Day or a tropical vibe. Blunt cut bob, a timeless look that works for birthday celebrations or casual outing. Use a strong adhesive or glueless method for a flawless finish. Don't forget to melt that lace with a good lace tint and a hairdryer for a clean look. Unlike frontal wigs, closure wigs only cover the middle or side section of your hairline. They are low maintenance and perfect for everyday glam. Side part closure wig gives you that effortless look for a brunch dates or work parties. Deep wave closure wig, a dreamy option for a romantic dinner date or Valentine's Day. Blonde ombre wig, if you want to stand out at a birthday party or nightclub, this is a bold choice. Closure wigs are easier to install and maintain than frontal wigs, so they are great for beginners. And there you have it, Whether you are heading to a party, celebrating your birthday, or planning a romantic date, these styles will have you looking and feeling your absolute best. Save this video for your next wig install. Share it with your friends who love experimenting with hairstyles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Locks for more hairstyle inspiration. Let me know in the comments below which style is your favorite.